So this is the tutorial 2 where we will go through equipments. Okay, so first I will show you how we can create equipable items. So I've created one sword equipable item, one shield. So for sword I've created the sword node graph, and these are things I already explained in the last tutorial. Here's the description. These things main is this interaction settings. So here we will have this equipment type. So you can create one type in the manage equipment data. We go here, and then if we search for the manage equipment data, here we can create the type of equipment. Like I've created two types, one is sword type and one is shield type. And we can also create affixes, like when this item is equipped or obtained, what affix a character will get. So basically we have three options here. Base attribute bonus, like you can enhance these all details of the character, like ammo, damage bonus, like this, healing effect, crit rate, crit damage, etc. Or you can apply your own node graph, your custom logic, or you can add a unit status. So here for the demo purpose I have used this accelerate unit status. So once I equip the sword, the speed of the character will be increased here. And for shield I have created one shield status, unit status. So I will show you that shield unit status here. I have created one player shield here. It can absorb all type of damage, as well as it has infinite strength, as well as the interrupt intake is 0, so that character will not be launched by the monsters. Okay, so yeah, this is about equipment. Now for the item, then we will select here the equipment type, show type in details, show tags in details. These things we can configure tag and effects, or we can add one more effects if you want. Yeah, so to equip a equipment, basically we need in a character equipment slots. Okay, so I created one equipment slot. You can add from here this component equipment slot, and then if we go to the equipment slot template editor, so basically you have to go in currency and inventory, then the equipment slot. So here I've created two equipment slots, one for sword and one for shield. For sword I've selected the sword type, and for shield I've selected the shield type, and you can also select the icon here. So this is about the equipment. So firstly I will explain the node graph logic of the equipment. So for the sword I will show you the sword. Basically when the equipment is equipped, we will change the player class to this sword player class. Okay, so I have created one player class with the swordsman. So I have given this configuration ID there. Then there I have used this sword combo skill, which is a preset skill, which you can go here preset skill and add the sword skill and then test it. Okay, so I will change the player class to that swordsman class, and once this equipment is unequipped, then I will use the default unarmed class. So this one, custom class, which doesn't have any skill. Okay, so if I show you now the shield one, so for the shield, once I equip this equipment, I will show the shield VFX, and once I unequip the equipment, then that VFX will be removed. Okay, so this is about the equipment. Now if I show you in game how it will happen. So basically we have this sword. We can pick this up. So this item will be added to the inventory because that item was a loot. Now we can equip this, and we can see here that equipment slot we can remove and then equip, then it will be shown here. Now we can use this sword to defeat the monster. Okay, so monster will give two items. One I have added one I have added the fluorite currency, and one is the shield it will drop. I will explain that loot concept also. You can see this monster drops one shield and one fluorite. If I pick fluorite, I will get 5 fluorite. This is the currency, and if I pick shield, I get the shield. And you can see I have increased the speed because I have picked the sword. So if I fight this monster, okay, he can launch me and damage me. Okay, now I will equip the shield. And equip the shield. Okay. I will re-heal. Okay. I have the full heal now. If I fight this monster, damage me as well as so yeah, now I will show you. In this monster I have created this trophies. So trophies are basically once this monster is defeated, it will drop certain items. So I have added 5 fluorite here, and the 1 shield item it will drop. So you can same the destruction debris you can define here, and the loot drop mechanics, whether it will be individual reward or the shared reward, it will be same concept as for the other items, right, which I shown you. Okay, so this is all about the equipment here. So yeah, see you in next tutorial. Yeah.